Hello guys, and welcome to our Tux Revolution. So today we are going to learn the SSH. There is nothing but the secure shell. Okay. So to perform the same and make our hand dirty, I already take the SSH of my Linux machine. Here it is. Root is the user, desktop PC is the host name, and I have a root privilege, that is hash symbol. Okay. So we are going to learn SSH with simple 4 steps: installation, configuration, then how to start, stop, restart and check the status of the service, and last but not the least, how to create a SSH session. That is Linux to Linux, that is via terminal, and Windows to Linux via PuTTY. Okay, so let's start it with installation. Okay, so I have a Ubuntu based system, so I use apt-get apt-get install OpenSSH server space -1. OpenSSH server is the package name. Okay, -y is to give the permission to install the package. Okay, if you have the Red Hat like operating system, so you can use yum install OpenSSH -y instead of apt-get. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm typing here get install OpenSSH server space -y, enter. So it doesn't show me anything like 0 upgraded, 0 newly installed, 0 to remove, and 93 not upgraded. It is showing like this because I have already installed OpenSSH, that's why I'm taking SSH connection, but obvious. So in your case it will show some steps to install, like it will show some packages to be installed, and you're going to use it afterwards. You come to know after once you fire this command. Okay, so this is all about the installation. Now let's move to the configuration. As you know, whatever we installed in the Linux machine, every package has their own configuration file. Okay, so let's check the configuration file of SSH, and I'm using vim editor, vim/etc/sshd_config. Okay, enter. This is a configuration file. In the SSH, you didn't need to change anything, because with SSH you need only 22 port. As you know, the SSH is running on a 22 number port, so port number is already defined, and you don't need to change anything, because you can easily access the SSH. If you change anything different, anything strange, and so there must be chances it won't work accordingly as you want. Okay, so I suggest you don't do any changes. As far as if you want to change the port number, so you can simply change this number. Instead of 22, you can choose your own port number, but I'm not changing right now, because if I change the number, so I'll be landing in trouble and my SSH connection will be lost. Okay, so I'm just quitting the connection, quitting the file without changes. Okay, this is all about the configuration. Now let's move to the services. Okay, so our installation part is done, configuration part is done. Now we are moving toward the SSH service. How to start, stop, restart and check the status of the service. So we can do this with this following two commands, like /etc/etc init.d/ssh is service name space whatever you want to do, like we want to start the service, stop the service, restart the service, or check the status. Similarly, you can do this with the different command, like service is a keyword space SSH is a service name, and the thing you want to do, like you want to start the service, or you want to stop, you want to restart, or you want to check the status. Let's check it. I'm going with the first thing. Okay, /etc/init.d/ssh space status. I'm just checking status. I'm not start stop or it is already starting. That's why I'm taking the SSH. And if I stop right now, again I lost the connection, and I don't want to restart the connection because same thing happened where I'm going to lose the connection. So I'm just checking the status. While doing exercise at your home, in your home, you can do start, stop, restart. It won't affect any much more until unless you are not a remote connection. You're on a similar machine. Okay. So it's running. So it's showing my SSH connection is running, currently running. Okay. I'm running this, checking the same status with the another command like service SSH and status. Enter. See, I'm getting the same output. Two different commands. The command looks like different, but it gives the same output. So we're done with the start, stop, restart, and the checking the service. Okay. Now let's move to the how to create a SSH session. First, we're gonna see the Linux to Linux. That is by terminal. Okay. Suppose this is my terminal. I'm just clearing the screen. So this is my terminal. Okay, now I want to take the SSH connection of another machine. So I want to do SSH. I want to give the username, like for example I'm giving Dexter. This is username of the remote machine. Okay, then @ then IP of the remote machine, like for example 172.16.150. For example 45. This is a random IP, and press enter. So SSH will be, if SSH port is open on that machine, so you will get the SSH connection. Okay, you will get the SSH connection, but on the port of 22. But suppose in case if the remote machine user changes that port number to 2222, like 4 times 2, so instead of this command you just add one more parameter like -p space the port number. In that case, if suppose the user is define the port number 4 times 2, so in my case I'm just typing -p 4 times 2 and press enter. So this is the first step to take the SSH connection via Linux to Linux, like terminal. But in case if you want to create a SSH session with what we may say that with Windows to Linux, right now you can check this is my Windows machine and I want to take the SSH connection of a Linux machine. So I just download the putty. Okay, I run. So I'll get this dashboard. In host name I have to provide the IP address of a remote machine, like 172.16, like 150.45. Port number you can define by default the port number is 22, as you can see over here. And if the port number is different, so you can define over here like 2222, whatever it is, and just click on open. As this IP is not working because this is my private IP. If you are an internal LAN, if you are a network guy, and so you must have little bit idea. If you know, if you are in an internal LAN, so private IP is okay. You can take the SSH with the private IP, but you are out of your network. So to connect the PC in your network, you need to be have what we can say, the public IP. Network guy can understand my concept, but you can Google it, like for private IP and public IP, so you have clear cut idea. So just give it over your IP, port number, and click on open. It doesn't show anything because there is no such kind of IP present over here. So that's it for this session. And definitely if you like these videos, then give us a thumbs up. Please share this video, and for the latest updates, latest new videos, please subscribe our Turks channel, the Turks Revolution. And thank you very much. Goodbye. Thank you.